I'm Joshua C. Newman. I've been messing around with this Akso board here. I'm messing around with control voltage. I'm sending it both through these potentiometers and from my Neutron over here. I'm going to show you how it works. So this is the patch from the first tutorial. It's really simple. In fact, let's switch over to running that one live. And we will hear it. There we are. Right. That probably sounds pretty familiar. This is potentiometer number 1. This is potentiometer number 2. I haven't done anything with 3 just yet. I tried something complex, and I'm hoping we'll get back to that one soon. And we can set, sort of the ranges that we like for these. And again, of course, you can send these keyboard notes or whatever. Here we're just changing the qualities of the sound. Rhythm can come from elsewhere in the patch, or it can come from another module in a modular system. So let's turn off live. And we're going to have to give ourselves a little bit of room first. And let's TRS config input left. So these are considered left and right. There we are. There's left, and we're taking 2 of them, so we'll also take TRS input right. All right. So these are -5 to +5. That's just the way that this particular synthesizer works that I wanted to be talking with. You can also set it to unipolar, 0 to 10 volts. And we want these to be voltage control levels. So now we want to mix our potentiometers in the right and the left channels with the inputs from our other modules. So let's get audio in left here. And we'll get an audio in right over here. So those are levels that are going to come in. You can see the level in the little bar there when it's coming in. And the question, of course, is what do we want to do with this? How do we want to mix this together? Well, let's add in a mixer. We need 2 inputs. One goes there, one goes there. And then we're going to replace that input with the mixed qualities of both of them. And then I'm just going to paste this one over here. You go here, you go here, you go here, and then the output goes to timbre. And that should be, well, let's see what we get when we go live. We'll get the dark screen again that tells us it's going. Let's turn the LFO way down. There we go. I'll turn that up so we can play with it a little bit. So the sample and hold here is going to the timbre from the Neutron, and the pitch is coming from the LFO over there. I think this is this a little bit. I'm going to give it inputs from both the Akso and the Neutron. And we'll see what we can find here as we explore this space that we've just defined. droid talking. I'm using the glide on the sample and hold to some smoother motion out of the timbre. Mix up. There we go. Let's reverse these inputs and see what that does. There's just the pitch coming in from control voltage from the Neutron. Here's the I'm adding in the sample and hold, or sorry, adding in the LFO to the timbre. Turning down the rate of the sample and hold. Glide. Please come over and back up my Patreon. Patreon.com/Joshua. I do role-playing games, science fiction, and electronic music. All that kind of nerdery. And I love finding people who like that too. Alright, I'm going to take it subsonic.